Hey guys, I'm back with another video and I'm going to be showing you how to make the microwave oatmeal with the blueberry pack, because that's the only one I have left. During the other videos I did about 2 days ago, you can see that on my channel. For my name, I put it on the screen. And yeah, during my other channel, I had the oatmeal and I had the bananas one. So yeah, so I'll be making that. So first I'm gonna get a bowl. Just let me close my pantry. I'm just gonna go ahead and get a bowl. I have to rinse it out. Always rinse your bowls out. You don't have to wash because it's already been washed. You have to rinse it. Okay, let me put you in some better light. Okay, that should be pretty good. I'm gonna be making the oatmeal right there. So I'm just gonna bring this. I put this thing so I can hold my phone. I think I showed that little thing in one of my videos. Okay. Close to close. So I pour the oatmeal in the pot. I forgot to tell you I'm using 2 packets. I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. That's what it looks like, but it won't look like that. Okay, I'm just gonna put water in. You put half a cup. Okay? See? That's how much you put. I'm gonna go ahead and get a fork. I'm gonna spoon. Rinse it. I'm gonna go ahead and stir it up. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the microwave. Can't put the spoon in there, so I'll just put it on the counter. As you can see, my microwave. I'll put her at that at the time, so don't worry about that. But matter of fact, no, it doesn't. So I just put 30 seconds, and then I add another 30 seconds. So we put it on 1 minute and 57 seconds. Okay? Now I'm gonna get the paper towel so I can rest my skin on. This box goes in the trash. Ugh. So yeah. And oh, I forgot to mention I'm gonna be doing that oatmeal a little bit more time. Plus a toasted butter sandwich, but that's after. That'll be in the next video, not this video. I thought about it. Guys, do not do this at home. I did it because I'm thirsty. I'll get a cup. I didn't leave room for the whole minute and 57 seconds. Let's show you how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna take my first bite. Oh, it's hot. The bowl's hot. In the camera. And then I'm gonna put this back. I'll take my first bite. The video is coming along pretty well because it's only been 5 minutes. So I'm taking my first bite in the camera. First, I'm gonna mix it up because usually I don't like the blueberry, but I did it for you guys. Okay. Actually, pretty good. This is super good. You should buy it. And all flavors I eat. If you don't want it, give that to me. Like I said in the last video, if you keep subscribing, keep hitting that notification bell, share, like, comment, I'll give you a shout out. And I'll give you $2 billion. No, $5 billion. As you know, I live in a mansion. And like I'm in a mansion right now. And actually a big mansion. It's 20 bedrooms in this mansion. And there's only 5 of us here. 20 bedrooms. So that means 20 minus 5. So that means there's 15 bedrooms that's free. 15 people could come over. They each have their own bedroom. So I'll give you $2 billion. That's how much this mansion costs. You can buy a mansion that costs $2 billion. Subscribe. Put your email, your Cash App, because I'll Cash App you the money. Or my parents, not me, my parents. But subscribe. Please. Please subscribe. Please. Please subscribe. Please. Maybe I have to. Maybe I have to subscribe. Okay. Yeah. Peace. If you want the squad, you went popping. By the way, let me show you my oatmeal. It's halfway down. And taking this thing. It's really good. It's so good. The bananas one. that this video is 20 seconds. When this video is 10 minutes and 26 seconds. So I'll wrap it up. It's too long. Even though this these famous YouTubers, it's called Famous Tube Kids in the Rush fam, and they have over 3 billion subscribers. YouTube is paying them well, so don't subscribe to their channel anymore. Because if you subscribe, they're getting paid, not you. But like I said, Cash App me the money, $2 billion, only if you subscribe, and I know when you subscribe. The video is 11 minutes and 20 seconds, so I'll see y'all later. Peace.